Hello, this is a recording for Saturday, March 14th. Today's practice is titled Color Soothing. It is designed to soothe uncomfortable feelings with colorful light. Take a comfortable position and allow your body to soften and relax. Allow your eyelids to get heavier, gaze softer. Picture yourself in a ray of light, shining over your whole body. A ray of light in any beautiful, soothing color. Soothing for you. Your whole body bathing in colorful, soothing light. Breathe in that soothing color. Take it in with every pore of your body, every part of your being, soaking in soothing light. Filling your body, your whole self, with colorful, soothing light. Lightening the sensation of your body, lightening your mood, illuminating your mind, lightening your spirit, your whole self, light, soothed, glowing, your entire being glowing, radiant, with colorful, soothing light. Allow yourself to become immersed in this experience. Enjoy it for a few extra moments. I'll be silent for a while. Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, continue to experience the sensation of lightness and feeling soothed that hopefully you gain through this practice. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a lovely day, and I will see you tomorrow.